Today is the first day of the budget session of Parliament, and the government is hoping that after there was consensus on a JPC probe into the 2G scam at the all-party meet on Sunday, the session will be somewhat smooth. Yet ahead of the session, speaking exclusively to NDTV, Leader of the Opposition Rajya Sabha Arun Jaitley has once again lambasted the government, saying that this will be a session of accountability and the government has a lot to answer for. Jaitley also blamed coalition compulsions for Raja's appointment as Telecom Minister in the first place, adding that the heart of the government was on the side of the corrupt.
The winter session of Parliament was a disaster. It was a complete washout as the government refused to give in to the demands of a JPC by the opposition over the slew of corruption charges. Mr. Arun Jaitley, Leader of Opposition Rajya Sabha, is with us. Mr. Jaitley, do we expect that the clouds of friction between the opposition and the government are over?
Well, I don't think it's a matter of a personal dispute between the opposition and the government. Certainly, politically, there is a lot of distance. I do hope that the government announces the formation of a JPC in this session so that the session can resume its work. It's being held in a political environment where revulsion has set in against this government, where government has a lot of questions to answer. What was the Prime Minister doing for 3 years when this huge case of corruption was on? What are you doing about the economy? Has this government lost out on the ideas on how to control price rise? Where is food inflation? There's a flight of investment taking place away from this country. Plus, one can obviously see that the government is not cohesive anymore. And these are all subjects which we are going to use this session and convert it, as I said, into a session of accountability.
But don't you think that the government has recovered a lot of lost ground? Mr. A. Raja arrested, Secretary arrested, action against Mr. Kalmadi, interrogations, raids.
The government can take credit, if at all, for a lot of involuntary action. Sandwiched between the Supreme Court and the opposition, and almost smacked by a huge public opinion, the government had no option but to take these actions. So I think the heart of this government is on the side of the corrupt.
The Prime Minister said during the press conference was that the Finance Ministry and the Telecom Ministry did decide, and although he had objected, and the fact about how Mr. Raja became minister again, it was a coalition compulsion. Right. Is the opposition expecting a statement or some kind of a clarification from the Prime Minister himself?
Not a statement. That is something which is going to attack vicious criticism. Where is the principle of collective responsibility? Is this the leader of a team who runs away from the battlefield and says, well, I did not make him a minister, I did not allocate him the portfolio, somebody else compelled me to do that under compulsion? Rather than a statement, I think the Prime Minister is going to be confronted with all these issues.
As far as the budgetary exercise goes, there will be no impediment.
Well, there is a lot we have to say, and we want to use this Parliament as an opportunity, this session. So we'll be extremely happy if a JPC is constituted.
And how quickly you want the JPC to be announced?
Well, from all indications, it should be announced immediately after the President's address.
So you want a broad-based one?
Well, we've certainly told the government we want a broad-based one. We want it to cover the other issues also.